Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to download Marco Polo videos. That's right, if you chat on Marco Polo with your friends, family, whoever, and you want to save some of those videos, those chats, and you want to download them to your device or whatever you want to do, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I find it important, especially if someone has passed in your life and you talked a lot of chatted a lot with them with Marco Polo. It'd be nice to save those videos so you can remember them by and hear their voice. That's always nice. Last week we went over how to disable Microsoft Copilot in Word, so I'll put something down below. I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. Also, I wrote an article on this first. I always do an article first, so I'll put a link down below for you to check that out. Before we get going, you hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also, the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday. You'll learn something new. All right, let me show you how to do this since you're all waiting. So we're going to go to our Marco Polo app. We're going to get out of this screen. Boop. All right, now we're looking for Marco Polo. So it's right here on my front screen, which is nice. I'm going to tap on that beach ball. You tap on that, opens up your Marco Polo. I'm doing this on my Motorola Edge Android phone. It's an Android phone, but it's the Marco Polo app, so it shouldn't matter what you're on. Once you're in here, find the person you want to save the videos from. So I'm going to do it for my brother. I tap on that one, and then when you're in here, you see me, but I'm going to blur that so you don't get to see my face. And then you want to look at the bottom here, and you're going to swipe to the right, which will get you to the very end, and you're going to see this little tiny file as an archive link icon. So tap on that, and now you're in your archived videos. So this is where they're all hidden. So what you want to do here, you can do a couple things. If you just want to download like a single one or something like that, hold your finger down on it, and it will select it, and you can select as many as you want. But if you're like me, I wanted every single video. So you just hit the download link here and it will download it directly to your phone. As long as it's not a large amount of videos, it will just automatically download it to the device you're taking it off of. But if you wanted to get every one of your archived videos before they get deleted, because unless you pay for the get unlimited storage, I'm cheap. I don't want to do that. So that's what we're going to do. So get out X to make it back to normal. Then what you want to do to get the entire archive, which is a lot, tap the three dots to the top left. Actually, that's the right. If my wife was watching this, she'd tell me I was wrong. So let's click on the three dots, and then you're going to see download popping up the top here. And then all you do is tap on it, and it's going to give you this little window. It's going to say download all polos in the chat, and we're going to say OK. And then it's, see, your previous download request is still being processed. Okay, so what's going on here is that you'll get your email. It will say sending the Marco Polo to your email. This tells me I've already done it once before, recently, within the last 24 hours. So it's good to see this as your previous download request is still processing. So basically, it will not let you download the archive again if you've done it recently. So I did it recently, obviously less than 24 hours ago, but you'll see your email address here, and it will say they sent you they send you an email in 24 hours with the download link for the kind of zip file of all the videos. That's what you're going to get. Now, if you've already done it within 24 hours on accident, this is where it is. So you can hit OK, and that's it. It will send you an email. You'll check your email within 24 hours. They're usually quicker than that. I've seen it, but you have to wait 24 hours between it. But I'm glad it showed you that, because I want you to, just in case you didn't realize you did it once, now you know what's going to pop up. But that's how you download your Marco Polo videos. So just go to your email, and there'll just be a big old zip file on there, and it'll give you all the videos if you did it that way. Or you just can select them by holding down, select each circle, and then tap the download down here, and that's it. That's how easy it is to download your Marco Polo videos, your chats, just in case you want to archive them so you can keep them for future reference or want to look at them again. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.